Everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting video that is on how to use consolidated tab in MS Excel. So how we can use the consolidated tab in MS Excel, we will learn this. So where we can find this tab in data, go to data and click on consolidate. You will find this option. Okay, now basically what is the use of this? Before moving to the video, I will request everyone to stay subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Check out our playlist. You will find 200 plus videos help you in cracking the interview related to trainers, team leaders, quality analyst, WFM analyst, SMEs, operation manager, operation associate manager, then Six Sigma certification, reports, dashboard in MS Excel, many more videos guys. This will help you in cracking the interview. So basically we have certain names and their amount which is credited. You can see the names, we have their amount with the specific month in different column. I want everything should be captured in one particular table wherein we have all the names which we have added here. Now we want their amount to be shown here. So how we can do, you can use, go to data, in data you will use consolidate. So let me remove the old one. Okay, this is done. Now you make sure your cursor should be on the title of the page or else in the, okay, now add the another one, let's add the last one, add. Now you have to choose all this top row, top left column and click on OK. Now you can see here for Priyanka you can see 200 and 493, 200 and 493. Same goes with summer, you can see here only 70. So in this you will get all the data in one shot with the help of this consolidate. Still you can also add below here, you can also add this sum and you can do more calculation, whatever you require. Still have any doubt, let me know guys. I'll tell you the procedure once again. If you want all the different table data into one table, how we can do is remove all the tabs, go to name, click on consolidate. They have already chosen few things, just let me remove this. Okay, now it's asking add. First I will add this, add. Now let's add the second table, add. Let's add the third table and add. Now click on OK. You have to choose all this top row, top left, bottom. Okay, that's it. You got your answer, wherein the data which is segregated or separated in different tables, it is now available in one table. Make sure the condition is really simple. The name what we are adding here, the name should be common. There should be no any spelling space or any correction there. Still have any doubt, let me know guys. Definitely I'll help you out, and check out our playlist. You will find many videos. Don't miss to share, subscribe the channel, and have a great day.